We're in the middle of pulling the heads on this Chevy pickup truck, and we got to get the front dress off because the dress is attached to the heads. I know it's probably common knowledge nowadays, but for the newbies, this pulley has to come off to get the steering pump clear to reach that bolt in the back. Okay, so to get the pulley off, you're not just going to pry it off. It requires a special tool. Okay, and that's how you know your mechanic, when he has a collection of special tools. Okay, I've owned this one probably 8 or 10 years, and like I've told other folks, I'm bad about original packaging. So for what it matters, though, we can tell it's an OEM brand tool for professionals, number 25298. Okay, and essentially it's a screw press. Okay, and here we'll just disassemble it real quick. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I've got it tight. Bear with me. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, that's the best way I can describe it. It's a screw press. Alright? And what it is the pulley is pressed onto the shaft. Well, the thing is, there's bolts behind this pulley that you have to get access to. Alright, this tool, this little collar slides off. And then there's a little clamshell arrangement. Okay, so let's see if we can do, I doubt we're going to do this with one hand. Okay. Yeah. Let's see, how can we position y'all so you can see this? Possibly. Yeah. Ooh, lights on and everything. Okay, hold on. Try it about. This is, yeah. Okay, so you've got the clam, I call it a clamshell, okay? And it's designed to fit like this on the pulley. And then you're going to take the actual press, and it's really nothing but a threaded bolt and a nut with a flange on it to engage the clamshells. There's also a bearing in this little tip right here. So you put that there, you put that there, you put the corresponding piece on top, and then you slide the collar over it. Okay, now you see all the stuff on my hands? That's because I lube this. Okay, it stays lubricated even when you're not using it. If you clean this tool, lube it before you put it up. Alright, we're going to take a 13/16 box end wrench and put it right here. Okay, and this is a 5/8 6-point socket. I prefer 6-point sockets for everything. I don't care, how can I put it, most people like 12 points because they're convenient, but the thing is, the 12 points will round a bolt head off right now. Okay, so anyway, now we just tighten this up, and as we tighten, it pulls the pulley off the shaft. Okay, and this piece of metal right here, yeah, I know it's ugly. It's a scrap piece of a race car. This is to keep me from striking the radiator and having to replace that. And there you go. And here's the bolts I was talking about. We got to get them loose, get that pump out of the way, and then we can take this bracket off. So anyway, that tool is probably $35. The thing is if you're doing this kind of work, you can't live without it. If you do this for a living, you'll probably use it once every other day. I mean, seriously, steering pumps are a pretty common thing. So anyway, talk to y'all later.